Hi there, I'm Nash Mamao. Let me ask you something. As a business owner, are you spending more time buried in spreadsheets and receipts than actually growing your brand? I know how it is. Business owners often struggle to find the time to properly manage their bookkeeping amidst all their other responsibilities. This usually leads to delays in recording transactions, messy accounts, and a lot of stress when tax season rolls around. That's where I come in. I help small to medium business owners in maintaining accurate, organized, and up to date financial records. My mission is to help you track your cash flow and boost your profitability by managing your finances with precision. I specialize in QuickBooks Online and Zero. Whether your books are a bit behind and need a full cleanup or catch up, or you just need someone to handle your monthly reconciliations and reporting, I've got you covered. I handle everything from bank and credit card reconciliations to preparing your profit and loss statements and balance sheets so you always have financial clarity. My background taught me that accuracy isn't just a goal, it's a requirement. I bring that same level of precision and detail oriented focus to your financial records. I value clear communication and consistency, and I'm here to make sure your books are structured, reliable, and audit ready. If you're ready to get your time back and finally have a clear picture of your business health, let's connect. And you can find me at nashbookkeeping.com or reach out to me on LinkedIn. Let's get your finances organized so you can get back to doing what you love. I look forward to working with you. Bye.